sign to add your veggies into your pasta sauce. Not only to make it a bit healthier, but also to make the creamiest pasta ever. To make this broccoli and cauliflower pasta, first take some red and yellow bell peppers and slice them. Then boil your broccoli and cauliflower. Add them to a blender along with onion and milk and blend until you get this rich and creamy sauce. Now in a pan, add your veggies and saute them for a few minutes. Then add the pasta sauce. Add a little water, salt and red chili powder. Mix everything well. Then cover and cook for a few more minutes. Lastly, add the boiled pasta and mix well. This is your sign to make the pasta of your dreams. This roasted garlic and tomato pasta is a must for all the pasta lovers out there. Plus, it has a secret hidden vegetable too, carrots. Add some chopped carrots, onion, tomato and garlic on a baking sheet. Then drizzle them with a little oil and roast them in an oven or air fryer. Meanwhile, boil your pasta of choice. I have used my favorite spaghetti. Now add the roasted vegetables in a blender jar and blend until smooth. Once the pasta is cooked properly, add the puree and mix well. Now add cream, chili sauce, salt and red chili powder and mix the sauces and the spices into the pasta. Cover the pan and cook for a few minutes. Lastly, add oregano and enjoy. ये 15-मिनट मशरूम पास्ता आपकी मिडनाइट क्रेविंग्स के लिए एक परफेक्ट सॉल्यूशन है। प्लस इसे बनाने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही पैन चाहिए। इसे बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले 8 से 10 मशरूम को अच्छे से धो के स्लाइस कर लें। अब एक पैन में थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालें और मशरूम्स को डाल के 1 मिनट सॉटे करें। इसमें फिर डालें अनियन और गार्लिक और अच्छे से मिला लें। 2-3 मिनट सॉटे करके इसमें नमक और काली मिर्च भी डालें। अच्छे से मिलाएं और फिर डालें पानी। जब पानी उबल जाए तो अपनी चॉइस का पास्ता डालें और पास्ता को 7 से 8 मिनट तक के लिए कुक करें। जब ये कुछ ऐसा दिखे तो उसमें डालें फ्रेश क्रीम और थोड़ा सा ओरिगैनो। 2-3 मिनट पास्ता को और पकाएं और फिर इसे गरम गरम सर्व करें। इसे गार्निश करें क्रश्ड पीनट्स और धनिया के साथ। This recipe can be called a comfort food as it is super easy and quick to make and requires only a few ingredients to make. Plus it's onion and garlic free. To make the sauce, add hung curd, soaked red chili, soaked cashews and some milk in a mixer jar and blend until smooth. Then add this to a saucepan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then add the remaining milk and some pasta water. Add the spices, salt, red chili powder, sesame seeds and oregano. Lastly, add the pasta and some grated cheese. Enjoy this while it's still hot and follow for more.